Hello, my name is Sky from Jaguar Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Jaguar. We are delighted to bring you this Jaguar F-Pace D300, powered by a 3-litre D300 300 PS engine, coming with the amazing HSE specification and Jaguar's all-wheel drive system, improving the performance of the car all year round. This Jaguar comes in a Forenz red paint, which is enhanced by the silver roof rails, grille with surround and window surrounds. We also have the privacy glass adding to the look of the car as well as the security, and the 21-inch bi-colour alloys with red brake calipers. This car benefits from premium LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, ensuring maximum vision of the road at all times. We also have the electrically adjustable and heated door mirrors. Adding to the convenience of every drive, we have the powered tailgate, which opens up to give you this very spacious boot, perfect for shopping or luggage, with the lashing eyes and boot lighting. Then moving on to the interior of the car, in the back we have 3 full-size seats with manually adjustable headrests, ISOFIX points on the outside too, and a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders in the middle. This car comes with 3-zone climate control, ensuring both you and your front seat passenger as well as your back seat passengers are always comfortable no matter the weather. Throughout the cabin, we have the decorative door and dash inserts as well as the ebony suede cloth headlining, pairing beautifully with the ebony perforated leather upholstery with contrast stitching. We also have the fixed panoramic roof, brightening up the cabin of the car and making those summer months much more enjoyable. Maximising comfort and luxury, we have the 16-way electrically adjustable, heated and cooled front seats. On the dash, we have the black leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shift, helping to improve the performance of every drive alongside dynamic modes. Also coming with multi-function, helping you safely and easily control the cruise control with speed limiter, as well as the heated steering wheel function, making those cold winter mornings much more enjoyable. It also helps you safely and easily control the interactive driver display screen, giving you everything you need right in your peripheral. For all of your entertainment needs, we have the 10-inch touchscreen. This features the likes of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, so you can always listen to your favourite playlists. We also have satellite navigation, as well as DAB digital radio, Jaguar's Park Assist system, and ambient lighting, adding to a chilled aesthetic in the evenings. This car comes with a very impressive 3D surround camera, helping to alleviate any anxieties regarding parking. The touchscreen also displays the heated and cooled seats controls, which are 3-way heated and 3-way cooled. Just below we have the climate controls for the front, where you can also control the seat heating and cooling. And just above your head we have the fixed panoramic roof controls. This car comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. For more information on this vehicle or to book a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.